Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Regression and now I would like to show you how to run a regression analysis by using Microsoft Office Excel. So here we are given two variables x and y, and now we want to find the regression by using data analysis. First, go to data, then choose data analysis, then find regression here. Okay, then click OK. So here we have to input the x range and y range. First we have to input y range. Okay. Wait. Okay, then we have to input the x range. Then don't forget to check the label and the confidence level. After that, don't forget to choose the output range. You can choose the uh, new worksheet by clicking this, but I choose to uh, use the space here for the output range. Then click OK. Okay, here the summary output. Then we have find the regression y equal to here 9.2482483 plus the value here 0.1097. Okay, we have find the value of regression y equal 98.2483 plus 0.1097x. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.